Sabaydi, hello M2. I hope you are doing fantastic at home. Okay, this week we are going to discuss the weather. Yes, the weather. Okay, so please take out your student book and open it on page 127. Yes, page 127. Let's jump straight into this week's lesson. Right, first things up this week is we are going to learn the vocabulary for this new unit. So I want you to listen and repeat after me, okay? Please listen and repeat. We are going to do it once. I want you to rewind and rewatch to do it again, okay? So let's do it the first time. First word we have is cloud. Cold, fog, hot, wind, rain, storm, and the last one is kite. Right, so please rewind and rewatch it a few times. Listen to my pronunciation. The way I say it, you are supposed to speak it the same way. Okay, let's take a look at our next activity. Yes. Okay, our first activity is number 2. Yes, number 2. Read and write. Read and choose the adjectives in the box to write under the correct pictures. Okay, so before we go on, I would like to talk to you about adjectives. Yes. Adjectives are words that describe something. Yes, give information about something. For example, this is a pen. That is the noun, the name. And it's a red pen. Yes, red is the adjective. Right? Also, a plastic pen, also an adjective. What it's made from, how old is it, what does it look like, smell like, taste like, and of course, feel like. Those are adjectives. Right, let's go over the adjectives in the box first. Okay, the first one we have is rainy. Yes, that's right, rainy. Then we have cold, hot, cloudy, windy, foggy, and stormy. Right, so if you take a look at this picture, you can see the clouds. It's cloudy. Yes, that's right, it's cloudy. Okay, let's take a look at the other pictures, right? Take a look at the other pictures. Right, let's take a look at the pictures. Yes, we have 6 pictures over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and of course 6. Now, these 6 pictures tells you what is in them. Okay, let's take a look at picture number 1 first. Yes, picture number 1. It's, we have clouds. We have lightning. And we have some rain, so that is a storm. Yes, clouds plus wind plus rain plus lightning and thunder equals a storm. Yes, so it's stormy. Okay, the next one. Okay, let's take a look at picture number 2. Okay, we have a car or a truck and a person trying to see. Yes. And you can also see that his lights are on. Yes, his lights are on. So, we use lights when we drive, when it's foggy. It's foggy. Yes, picture number 2, it's foggy. Okay, let's take a look at picture number 3. Yes, picture number 3. A lady or a man walking, and she's holding herself like this. So that one is easy. It's cold. Yes, that's right. Picture number 3, it's cold. Okay, picture number 4. Picture number 4. Well, you can see a lot of trees bent over and what looks like wind. So, picture number 4, it's windy. Okay, picture number 5. Oh, this one is easy. It's hot. Yes, that's right. And picture number 6, it's rainy. Yes, that's right. It's rainy. So those are the 6 picture answers. I want you to write in the space what is the weather like. So here you write it's stormy, it's foggy, it's cold, it's windy, and it's hot, and the last one, it's rainy. Okay, let's move on to the next activity, okay? Let's move on to the next one. Right, our next activity is to read and practice. Yes, read and practice. Read and practice the sentences below. Yes, these ones. Please read and practice them. So, first one, I will go with you. When it's sunny, we play outside. When it's stormy, we play inside. When it's rainy, we carry an umbrella. When it's windy, I fly my kite. Yes, so I know for a fact you know what an umbrella is, but do you know what a kite is? Well, if you don't know, this is a kite. Right here is a kite. I fly my kite, yes, on windy days. Okay, so please pause the video and practice these 4 sentences, okay? Practice these 4 sentences for me, and then we can move on to number 5, okay? Let's move on to number 5. So, right, number 5 is look and say. Yes, that's right, look and say. So, first thing, let's look at the weather last week and say sentences to your partner. Okay, we do not have partners at home, but I still want you to practice by yourself. Okay, let's take a look at the example. Last Monday, it was stormy. Right, so you can see here, last Monday. Last Monday is the time. It was stormy. Okay, let's take a look at the first one. Last Monday, it was stormy. Right, so that is our example. And here you can see last Saturday, it was foggy. Yes, so that is the 2 examples. Let's go and do Friday together and then Tuesday. Last Friday, it was windy. Yes, it was windy. Last Tuesday, it was hot. And one more time, last Saturday, it was foggy. Right, let's move on to the next few pictures. Right, the next few pictures. Okay, first we see Wednesday. So, last Wednesday, it was rainy. Yes, last Wednesday, it was rainy. Last Sunday, it was cold. Last Sunday, it was cold. And last Thursday, it was cloudy. Yes, that's right, it was cloudy. So, last Thursday, it was cloudy. Right, let's take a look at number 6. Yes, number 6. Let's take a look at number 6. Okay, number 6 is a dialogue. Yes, listen and repeat. Okay, listen to the dialogue and repeat after the teacher. Okay, so listen and repeat after me. Okay, we have two people. One is Sumali, that we know, and they are talking about the weather. Okay, so let's go. Repeat after me. Hi Sumali, how are you? Fine, thanks. How about you? I'm fine too. It's really hot. It's going to be a very hot day. Sumali says, that's okay. I like hot weather. Okay, so please practice this dialogue by yourself. Start with, hi Sumali, how are you? Fine, thanks. How about you? I'm fine too. It's really hot. It's going to be a hot day. That's okay. I like hot weather. Okay, so practice that dialogue by yourself a few times until you can do the pronunciations. Okay, let's move on to number 7. Yes. Right, number 7, practice. Yes, practice the following dialogues with your partner. Well, I will be your partner for today, so I will read all A's and you read all B, okay? And then we will change it and you will be A and I will be B. Okay, so let's get started. I will read all the A's, you read the B's, okay? Number 1, A, that's me. What's the weather like today? What are you going to do? Aha, so you read B and I will read A. Okay, so let's go to number 2. What's the weather like today? What are you going to do? Okay, number 3. Yes, number 3. What's the weather like today? What are you going to do? Right, so now that you read B, you will be A and I will be B, okay? So you will be A and I will read B. Okay, let's get started. You will read A. It's warm and sunny. I am going to play football. Number 2. It's hot and clear. I am going to swim in the pool. Okay, number 3. It's cool and windy. I am going to fly my kite. Right, so please practice this entire dialogue with yourself. Okay, so please read number 1, number 2, number 3 again by yourself. Okay, so practice it by yourself one more time. Okay, let's move on to our next activity. Great, so our next activity is to look and say. Yes, look at the table and take turns to say the sentence to your partner. Okay, since we don't have partners, I will go over with it one time. I want you to follow my example and practice this one. Okay, so let's take a look at their example first. It's going to be a really hot day. Okay, so what you have to do is, first you have to read the sentence in block 1. It's going to be a and then you choose very and then hot day, or you can say it's going to be a very rainy day, it's going to be a very windy day. So I want you to practice all of these ones, okay, by yourself a few times as we are going to read it to me in the live classes this week, okay? You are going to have to read these ones in the live classes. So Ling, please read these ones and practice them, okay? All right, let's move on to number 9. Okay, number 9 is a song. However, I've got a better song for you to watch and to listen to. You can even sing along if you want to practice your English. So let's go and listen to that song real quick.
What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Like today? Look outside the window, look outside the window. Can you say? Can you say? It's a sunny sunny day, sunny day. Play in the sunshine, play in the sunshine, play, play, play. It's a cloudy day, cloudy day. I need a sweater, it is cold. It's a windy day. Go and fly a kite now, go and fly a kite now. Fly it high, fly it high. It's a rainy day, rainy day. I need a raincoat, it's so wet, it's so wet. It's a snowy day. Get your coat and gloves, get your coat and gloves. What's the weather like today? Like today? Look outside the window, can you say? Can you say?
Okay, our last activity, yes, is number 10. A puzzle. Okay. This puzzle, I want you to write the words for these pictures first. Okay? And then you look for them inside the box here, okay? By using the spelling. So please look at this box and write the words and circle them. For example, here's one that says clear. Okay, clear. Circle them like that. And you can even look, I already found another one, snowy. Right, so just circle these words like so. Okay, and once you are finished, please do me a favor and take a picture. Right, let's go over your homework real quick of what you need to send me in the WhatsApp group. Right, so your homework for this week is to send me pictures of activities number 2 and 10 and to practice reading and speaking number 8. Okay, so once you are finished, please send me the pictures of activity 2 and 10 and then we can move on. Okay, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic week and please stay home. Stay safe, wear that mask so we can get back to school as soon as possible. Okay, everybody, bye.